What's up? Simply Deets here. So sorry, been busy, so haven't been able to make videos in a while, but we're getting to work on the 12 valve. So I got some parts today, waiting on some more parts for it too. Time for an oil change, so we're gonna do some liquid moly in the 12 valve. Bought it from SCP Euro. Thank you, SCP Euro. So once that comes in, we'll do the oil change too, but got a package right there. And then we're also finally putting in the fans right now. So grayfab fans with Mishimoto fans in it. So let's get that in there. See, as you guys can see right there, that plug connector and everything, it's the wires are too small. When I cut it too small. And then because the wires are so old too, they're fraying. So I need to get that connector apart, get new pieces for it, and then reconnect it so that I can connect this all properly and it works, so that when like the car is hot, it will keep running after the car is off, and then it will circulate the temperatures and everything properly for the fans to work properly. Because I don't want to put a switch in and all that. I think that's kind of like not my style. I want to go OEM plus, make everything work how it's supposed to. So that's what we got to do. So it's going to take us a little bit longer to get all these pieces. So, but that video right there shows you what's wrong. What's up, guys? So a couple of days later, we finally got the time to put the fans in properly, this and that. For now, what I did, we'll have to do. So went to the junkyard, grabbed this connector and these two wires, the red and the white. When I cut it too short because I didn't think I was going to need it or use it. Or I was just going to cut into the system. But going over the schematics, excuse me, sorry. You need the red and the other red. So wired them together, wired them to the blue wire from the grayfab's Mishimoto fans. Obviously the brown is ground, so wired that to the ground on the fans. So fired it all up, works good. So that's what you can do. So you can take the red and the red, wire those together, put it on the blue, wire that up in there, and then you can have the stock connector connected in there. So we're running good right now. Fans turned on, everything's good. Fans turned off, so we're running good. So Gray's fans are in. Grayfab fans with the Mishimoto fans are on it, right there. Yeah, right there. There you go. You can see it. So they're in there. Bam. So happy with the outcome. Let me get it some light in there, and I'll show you some light in there now. Boom. There they are. Looks great. So there we go. If you need any help, hit me up. You know, DM me VW Deets on Instagram or right here, and I'll help you out. No worries.